Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is really exciting because I'm going to be doing a pack with me video. So today I'm going to be sharing just my packing tips, things that have worked for me, and just good way to not overpack. I usually tend to overpack quite a lot, but now I've kind of gotten down to a system where I'm not overpacking. So I hope that these tips will help you guys out. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, on fashion, lifestyle, home decor. So I hope that you will hit that red subscribe button. That way you're notified when I post a new video. And if you can't tell, I am in a new setup right now. As I mentioned in my previous video, I am redoing my whole office room. So this couch just arrived last week and I'm so excited to start putting everything together. So let me know if you guys like this setup or if you like my old setup better, just let me know. But yeah, so far I am liking it and I'm just so excited to show you guys how it all comes together. So recently I took a girls trip out to LA. It was my cousin's birthday, so we decided just to take a quick trip out there. So I was out there for about 5 days and I packed enough for 5 days. So everything that I'm going to show you is just what I needed for those 5 days. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just going to go through and show you guys what I packed in there. My suitcase, it is a little beat up just because I've taken it a lot of different places recently, and I'm just getting the most use out of it right now until I replace this one or just, you know, retire it. But for now, this one worked just fine. All right, so here is an overview of my suitcase, so how I packed everything. And as you can see, I do use packing cubes, and these cubes literally make your life so much easier. They're literally so helpful because they help you save room in your luggage, and they just are just lifesavers. If you've never tried them, I definitely encourage you guys to try them out. They're gonna make your life so much easier. I'm gonna link these down below in the description so you guys can check them out. But as you can see, that's basically how I was able to keep everything nicely organized in here. So yeah, so here in just the big compartment, I just have like my clothes and all the packing cubes, and then I have this bag, and this bag has all my toiletries in it. So it's perfect. It fit perfectly in here and it was just great. I also packed my hair tools, my straightener, and the curling one, just because you know, I like to have both options, to straighten or curl my hair. But honestly, I really just curl my hair with the straightener. You never know, just in case. So yeah, so that's what I have there. And then in here, I also packed a couple more things that I'm going to go to in detail in a little bit. So here in the big compartment, the big packing cube, I decided to pack all of my outfits. So for outfits, I have 5 different outfits and they all fit in here. So I have a top and bottom, and I also have 2 dresses in here. So in a total, I really have like 7 outfits. So I'm going to take that out and show you guys how I packed it. Alright, so over here for my first outfit, I have a pair of light wash high-waisted jeans and then just a plain white tee. Then another outfit I packed was just some like olive green skinny jeans with this really pretty like floral top. This one has like bell sleeves on it and I thought it was really cute. And then the next outfit is a pair of like distressed jeans. I really like these a lot. These were actually from my Target haul. So yeah, so I packed those, and then this top is really cute. It's like just a white like bell sleeve top, so it's really cute. And then I have my other outfit. This is a just plain dark jeans and then a really pretty like floral top. So there I have 4 outfits, and then over here I have 2 dresses. So I have this one, this is really pretty like floral one too, with pretty sleeves, and then this one is just your denim jean, because you never know when you want to wear, you know, a dress. So I packed those, and of course the outfit that I'm going to have on as well. So basically that was a total, I guess, of 6 outfits in here and the one I wear. So yeah, so that was really nice because I was able to fit everything in here, and then you can just close it all up, and then you know, it's perfect. And I do find that stacking like your tops on top of your pants really helps, just because you're able to pack upwards, whereas if you pack, you know, the shirts next to the jeans, it's going to take up more space. So this is perfect, and these are so sturdy. Oh my gosh, they're great because they can expand, and that way you can actually stack your clothes, which works. So on to the medium size packing cube. This one here has more of my sleepwear and then also some cardigans. Alright, so this one's a little bit smaller, but it also fits a lot of clothes. So I have 2 sets of pajamas here. I have this one I love. This one says Angels from Victoria's Secret, and it has long sleeve. This one's a long sleeve, and then I paired it with just some sleep pants. And then this one's more of a tank top. This one's also from Victoria's Secret, and then just some gray sweats there. And then I also packed 2 different camis, a black one and a white one, and then also a cardigan, just a cardigan that can go with any outfit. This is a really pretty one from Target. It's like an oatmeal color, and I love it. So yeah, so in total I have 4, 5, 6, 7 different pieces of clothing in here, and this is the medium sized one, so it also fits a lot of clothes, and it's perfect because I can keep it kind of separate from my daily outfits. That way I'm not like searching through everything trying to find my pajamas at night. And so yeah, so that works really, really great. All right, so on to the last 2. I'm not really going to open them for obvious reasons, but these are also really great. You have the really small one here, and this is just the second to smallest, but this one's really great for like bras, or if you want to put your camis in here, that also works. And this one just, I have it for socks and undergarments, and yeah, it works perfectly. You can literally fit a lot of items in these as well. All right, so that's everything for my clothes. So all of it fit in there quite nicely. I do have a jacket, but that one is actually in the back compartment back there, and I'm also going to be wearing one on the plane, so that takes care of my jackets. Next up is my toiletry bag, and this one I have quite a few things in it. This one is from Victoria's Secret. So in my toiletry bag, I kind of have just everything in here from hair care and skincare, so I just kind of stuck everything in here and it fit fine. So I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. So in this little compartment up here, I have my favorite cleanser ever. This was the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleanser, and I love this because it's a makeup remover and cleanser in one, and it honestly is the only cleanser that I've ever tried that literally takes off all of my makeup and leaves my skin super squeaky clean. So I always recommend this one. I'm also bringing my wet brush, which this one is just perfect because you can use it on wet hair or dry hair. Then I also have this little bag. This is a little Ipsy bag, and this has my toothpaste in it. I mean, you can have like a regular like plastic bag, but I just had this one, and this one is water resistant, so you know, I packed that one. I also have a set of bobby pins because you never know when you're going to need a bobby pin, so I love these. I also packed just, you know, my skincare. This is my moisturizer, daytime moisturizer. I also have some makeup remover wipes in here. Then I also have my dry shampoo. This one is my favorite. It's the Batiste dry shampoo for dark hair. My deodorant, a little body mist. Since I don't really bring I don't like bringing my big perfumes on trips, I just get a little body mist like this. So this one is from Victoria's Secret, and it is the Scandalous one. So I like that one. I also brought a little travel size hairspray. This is from Marc Anthony. This is an oil of Morocco Argan Oil Volume Shine Hairspray. So I like this one. Then I also have some actual shampoo and conditioner. These are the travel size Tresemme ones. I got these at Target, and these are awesome. These are my favorite little travel size ones from Target. Then I also have a body wash. This is the Olay body wash in the Ultra Moisture Shea Butter one. And then I have a razor, and I have another comb. Nope, this fell off the razor. Oh, it's just an extra razor. Oops. And then in here I also have just like jewelry, and I have some of my ponytails in here, so that's what I keep in there. And then I also have my toothbrush, and that's basically everything. So this really covered me for all 5 days, and it all fits just perfectly in here. So I do suggest having a separate, you know, bag for all your toiletries because you don't want them to get messed up into your clothes and things like that. Here I don't have anything, but in the back compartment here I do have just a couple more things. That I have my towel, and then I also have a jacket. This is just like a rain jacket, and then I also have my steamer. This steamer is honestly the best thing ever. Alright, so back here I do have one other packing cube, and this one holds all of my shoes. So I did want to keep my shoes separate from my clothes, you know, because I don't want them to get dirty. But I did fit quite a lot of shoes in here. I'll show you guys which ones. So for shoes, these are the shoes I'm taking. So I'm actually going to be wearing my Vans on the plane, so I'm going to have those out of the suitcase. But then I also have a pair of little booties, and these little booties have had their fair share of wears, but These, you know, they come in handy. You never know when you want to wear them. And then I also have these loafers, which I love. These are from H&M, and these are going to go with one of the outfits that I have. So that's one of the things that I do recommend, is to plan, you know, your shoes according to your outfits. That way you don't pack, you know, a whole lot of things. But if you can wear some shoes multiple times with multiple outfits, that's great. With the Vans, I feel like I can, but these are specifically just for one of the outfits that I have. I'm also bringing these little sandals because in California the weather is always really nice and like in the 70s. So it's perfect for wearing little sandals, and I love these little slip-on ones. These are from Target. Then I'm also bringing some running shoes just in case we want to do anything outdoorsy like hiking or, you know, running or whatever. So I'm taking those. And then I'm also taking some heels, and these are heels that I plan to wear during the birthday dinner. And lastly, I am bringing a book bag because I just like having some extra space. And then lastly, in my backpack, I am bringing a couple of different things to have just on hand. So I am bringing just like a throw blanket. I'm bringing all of my makeup, and then my camera, and then just this little pouch where I store just random little things that you never know you're gonna need. I have my charger, my earbuds, a portable charger, some lotion, some Tylenol, you know, just little things that you might need on the plane. For makeup, I have just the makeup that I'm going to have for the whole trip. So if you guys want me to do a like what's in my makeup bag kind of video, just let me know down below. And that's basically everything. I also will have a little purse. This is the purse that I'm just gonna have, you know, every day, and I just have just like my normal things that I would have in my purse there. Alright, so that was everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Hopefully you found it helpful. Let me know what you guys thought about it by leaving me a comment down below, and if you like these videos, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. That way you don't miss another video. I hope that you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.